What's up, guys? So I wanted to give y'all something fresh out of the bed, you know what I'm saying, that I wrote last night. And it's something we can all relate to, especially with all this crazy, like, political situation, election time, and all this shit going on. So I wanted to give y'all something real special. So check this shit out.
Soldiers, don't give yourselves to brutes. Men who despise you, enslave you, who regiment your lives, tell you what to do, what to think, and what to feel, who drill you, diet you, use you as cannon fodder. Don't give yourselves to these unnatural men. Soldiers, in the name of democracy, let us all unite!
I'm trying to start a revolution before they put the paper shredder to the Constitution. For everybody in the street starts shooting, let me lose it. Ha. I look around, I see the world is in deprivation. So stuck in matrices, we forced the nation back to segregation. And that's crazy. Politicians just sending us information that envision the hatred among the public till we can't escape it. I'm on a mission to abolish the statements that force you into submission. Petition the racial separation. Hope you listen, I'm tripping, I'm feeling devastated. Looking at my children, I search for the perfect explanation. I'll enlighten the masses with all the shit we facing, laying foundations to a better future generation. We need love way more than we need court cases. Maybe we'd be better if we could afford the education. I know the truth, lived through a lot of proof that black kids on the block are the first ones the cops shoot. I might be white, but ignorant I am not. If children are the future, why the fuck we trying to kill the youth? I speak for projects and ghettos who ain't got shit. People who've been told their whole life that they are not shit. Broke homeless teens who feel like they gotta rob shit just to throw a pack of cigarettes in their pockets. It's nonsense. Yeah, we know the consequence, but we can't starve to death. It's a mess, we gotta stop this. I've had enough, it's rather tough these days. Fucked up, all they do is lock us up these days. I'm speaking up, we all need a little love these days. Cause everybody doing drugs to suppress these pains. We all hurt, and the government is only getting worse. Got kids becoming felons before they old enough to work. Got parents, kids missing, they ain't even trying to search. Had the nerve to drop tears when they find them in the dirt. Shot dead by the feds cause they snatching up a purse. Waking up in the streets and going to bed in a hearse. Got sons toting guns that shoot each other on a daily. Daughters that ain't even 21 having babies. Got a country being run to the ground and it's amazing. And I'm the fucking one society is calling crazy. I think I speak for everybody my age. We saying save me, save us, save us. Like Pac said, ain't no hope for the youth. That's the truth, it ain't no hope for the future, right?